Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access Nano Banana for free with two methods. So there is two different ways to access Nano Banana. And the first one is you can go to Google AI Studio. You can just open your browser and then you can search Google AI Studio. And then you can click this one, Google AI Studio, aistudio.google.com. And then you can click Get Started here. And then there is Try Nano Banana Gemini 2.5 flash image. So you can just put your prompt here and it will automatically use Nano Banana. And the second method is you can go back to your browser and search Gemini. And then you can go to Google Gemini here. And then you can access this one 2.5 flash, and then you can click tools here and click create image, and you can put your prompt and you can access Nano Banana. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.